Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Glencore PLC. We are going to look at the charts, how the chart has performed in the past and how it will be in the future. The market is not yet open, but if you look at this chart, in the past few days the stock has moved from 175 and the high it has made to 193, then again it falls back. So if you look at the 6-month chart, so you can see anyhow it is moving from strength to strength. So it has moved from the low of 112 to 196 and currently 180. And if you look at the bigger term chart, which is from 2013 till now, you can see the trend is completely flat. So what we are going to check here is the long term trend. Okay, now our point of discussion will be this one. So how the chart is going to perform, how it will be in the days, probably in the months and in the years to come. And in a flat chart, one thing you need to understand is the boundaries are fixed either on the upside or on the downside. Okay, so for a flat kind of pattern, and if it is being flat for past couple of years, you should not go beyond the boundary unless the price gives an indications to you. Okay, so let's move to the chart. So this is your long term chart which is available since 2011. So this is previously it was a monthly chart, now we have moved to the weekly chart, okay, so that we can have a sense. So as I have said that the stock has moved like 62% from its lows, so it's a good jump, you can say. And overall the trade and the trend both are fixed. So if you look at this chart, what you can see here is this thing on the upper side and your lower boundary here, and your middle boundary or the current support will come at here from where it bounces back. So each and every support and resistance has its own importance and it will work. Okay, it will work somewhere in the future because it has worked sometimes in the past, somewhere in the past. So you need to understand the importance of each and every level. So as I have told you, you should not look beyond a certain level when you are talking about a flat chart. The boundaries are limited here. Okay, so what we need to check here is this. So your current support level will come at around 125 and then 118. Okay, and if it breaks, then we can see a low of 72 and 67, which is your 2015 and 16 lows. Now because it has moved 50-60%, which is pretty sharp, so the probability of going higher is more right now. So our resistance or intermediate target will come at around 253, and from 253 to 274 you can consider it is a zone, a resistance zone or a consolidation zone if it breaches on the upside, if the share price breaches on the upside. So what I'm saying here is this thing. Okay, so probability of going towards 253 is very high. Now we need to see whether it will be there at 253 or it will go and touch 274 and crosses over 274 and stay above that. So that we need to check. Okay, so once it stay above 274, the big target will come at around 420, which will be our target for the time being if we are very much bullish on the stock. And same on the downside, this is our support levels. So unless the price will go beyond 420 or break down below 67, we are not going to say that something will happen either on the upside or on the downside. So that is the nature of the flat chart, and we should respect the trend. We have to work and change our strategy, make our strategy accordingly. So this is what we can see. And one more thing, if you want to check like this, so what we can do here, that we can make this zone that from 397 to 420 will be considered as your big resistance or big target zone. Once it crosses 420 and sustains over that, then we will say that the trend has changed and now it is ready to go on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.